In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Gemini. We'll go through each step, making sure you have a clear understanding of the process. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up Google Chrome. You might be using another browser on a regular basis, but for accessing Google Gemini, Chrome is the best choice due to its enhanced compatibility with Google services. If you don't already have Chrome, you can easily download it from the official Google Chrome website. Once you have it up and running, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now that you have Chrome open, it's time to log into your Google account. This is a crucial step because Google's services require you to be logged in to access their full range of features. Just click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the browser window and enter your email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to have your phone or backup email handy to complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile picture in the corner, assuring you that the login was successful. Next up, let's click on the Google Apps icon. You'll find this in the top right area of your Google Chrome page, right next to your profile picture. It looks like a small grid of dots. Clicking on it will open a menu displaying all of the Google applications available to you, like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. It's a handy feature that provides quick and easy access to everything Google has to offer. Once the Google Apps menu is open, you'll want to look for the Gemini icon. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It might be slightly lower down on the list, especially if you have a lot of Google services at your disposal. Just scroll through the options until you find Gemini. Selecting it will navigate you to the Google Gemini interface. Here we are, the final step. You're now inside Google Gemini and ready to create a new chat. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to interact with the AI by typing in your prompt. Whether it's a question, a brainstorming session, or a simple conversation, just type your prompt in the designated area and hit enter. The intuitive interface of Google Gemini is designed to understand and respond to a wide range of queries, making it a versatile tool for both work and play. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully accessed Google Gemini through your Chrome browser. This powerful tool is now at your fingertips, ready to assist you with whatever you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your Google tools.